right there. This is as much rotation and lateral flexion that we have to do. The only thing you need to do here is breathe in deep. Yep, all the way out. Good. Breathe in deep again. And drop this shoulder.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh wow. I could feel my neck.
Yes.
Really like it's there.
I know exactly what you mean because I hear that all the time. People say like, you literally said it's been like numb.
Oh my gosh. This is really good. You should try this.
Just don't try this at home.
Yeah.
Don't try this.
Not at home.
Wow. I got you. Roll down a little bit further. Good. Breathe in deep. Yeah. All the way out. I'm gonna just roll this down.
Oh my goodness. Oh
There it is.
my gosh.
You doing all right?
Can I sleep?
We'll come back in an hour. Finish up the rest.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Can I have a lot of those?
Just two.
Oh my goodness.
Expand out.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. I can't explain the feeling. It's like up to my tailbone.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I'm going to have a good sleep tonight.
Yes, you are. Was it worth your trip? Is this what you expected?
Yes.
Yes.
Aren't you moving to Maryland?
I guess so.
We
right?
need chiropractor over
The weather is
there.
nicer over there.